Good day everyone, I am Jay Labertini and today I will be discussing about the signage and wayfinding in facility planning, impact on a guest experience. Effective signage and wayfinding systems are critical components of facility planning, whether in hospitals, airports, hotels, shopping malls, and educational institutions. These systems directly influence how guests perceive and navigate space. A well-designed wayfinding system not only improves operational efficiency but significantly enhances the overall guest experience. In the hospitality industry, effective signage and wayfinding are key to helping guests navigate a property with ease. These systems improve both efficiency and guest satisfaction by reducing confusion, supporting a smooth arrival, and enhancing the overall experience. The importance of signage and wayfinding. Wayfinding refers to the system and tools people use to orient themselves and navigate from place to place. Signage, as a key component, communicates directions, identifies key areas, and reinforces brand identity. In facility planning, integrating signage and wayfinding early in the design process ensure a logical flow that aligns with both architecture and user behavior. So the first key function is the navigation. Navigation helps guests find locations quickly and efficiently. Navigation, colored coded directional signs with clear arrows to guide guests from the lobby to amenities like pool, spa, and restaurants. These signs are strategically placed at decision points, ensuring guests can easily find their way without assistance. Next is information. Provides essential data like emergency exits, restrooms, and etc. Information. This example demonstrates how effective informational signage enhances guest experience by providing clear guidance and ensuring safety within hospitality environments. Next is safety. Guides user during emergencies, minimizing panic. Safety evacuation maps, providing a floor plan of the facility, highlighting the guest's current location, emergency exits, fire extinguisher location, and evacuation routes. Next is branding. These examples illustrate the importance of integrating brand elements such as a color scheme, materials, and thematic motifs into hotel signage. By doing so, hotels can create a cohesive environment that enhances guest experience and reinforce brand identity. Accessibility ensures inclusivity for all users, including those with disabilities. Accessibility like accessible room identification signs, accessible restroom signage. Hotels often use room signage that incorporate both raised tactile character and grade 2 braille, in enabling visually impaired guests to identify the rooms independently. Restroom signs in hotels are designed to be inclusive by featuring tactile text, braille, and universally recognized programs. Next is the impact of on guest experience. First is the number one is first impression. Clear and aesthetically pleasing signage sets the tone for a positive experience. Guest feels welcome and confident in navigating a new space. Second, stress reduction. Confusing layouts and poor signage lead to frustration and anxiety. Intuitive wayfinding reduces stress and foster a sense of control. Third is time efficiency. Efficient wayfinding minimizes wasted time. This is particularly vital in time-sensitive environments like hospitals, hotels, and transport hubs. Customer satisfaction and loyalty. A seamless experience increases satisfaction, encouraging return visits and positive word of mouth. And last is inclusivity. Accessible signage featuring braille, audio cues, and Lingual support ensures all guests are accommodated, reflecting a commitment to universal design. Design best practice. First is the organizational of information. Prioritize information from general to specific. Second is consistency. Use consistent colors, fonts, and symbols throughout the facility. Third is legibility. Ensure text is large enough and contrasts well with the background. Fourth, strategic placement. Position signs and decision points like intersections and elevators. And last is technology integration. Incorporate digital directories, interactive maps, and mobile wayfinding. So first is the organizational of information. Signage should be structured from general to specific. For example, broad indicators like building zones or main areas like lobby or pool should be followed by more specific signs directing guests to rooms or service. This method guides guests congress- congressively through space. Second is consistency. Using the same colors, fonts, and symbols across all signs creates a cohesive visual language. Consistent design helps guests easily recognize and understand information, making their navigation smoother and reducing confusion. The third one is the legibility. Ensure the text size is large enough to be read from a distance and that there is a high contrast between the text and the background. This ensures the signs are easily readable for everyone, including those with visual impairments. Fourth is the strategic placement. Signs should be placed at decision points such as an intersections, near elevators, or at hallway turns where guests need direction. This makes it easy for them to understand where to go next without unnecessary confusion. Last is the technology integration. Incorporating digital directories, interactive maps, and mobile apps can improve guest experience. These technologies offers real-time updates, flexibility, and personalized guidance, especially for large or complex spaces like resorts or convention centers. These principles ensure that signage supports a smooth, efficient, and enjoyable guest experience, making it easier for them to find what they need and enhancing their overall stay. For the conclusion, signage and wayfinding are essential tools in creating a smooth and enjoyable experience for guests. When done right, they help people easily navigate spaces feel more comfortable and reduce confusion. In facility planning, confusing on a clear and intuitive science isn't just a nice to have, it improves the overall experience, enhances safety, and reflects positively on the brand. So, put, good signage leads to happier guests, smoother operation, and a stronger reputation. That would be all. Thank you for watching and listening.